Nowadays, it is impossible to imagine our lives without some kind of equipment. It can be something very simple, such as a spade that you use to dig soil, or it can be a very complicated electronic equipment such as telescopes or navigation systems of planes and ships. Today, we will talk about one of the most interesting pieces of equipment that helps us to see what happens in the depths of space. This unique piece of equipment is called the Hubble Space Telescope. It makes one orbit around Earth every 95 minutes. The telescope was launched by NASA in 1990. This telescope is very big, it is the size of a school bus. The Hubble Space Telescope takes pictures of planets and galaxies that are far away from Earth. Do you have a mobile phone? Do you use washing machine? Have you got an air conditioner at home? If the answer is yes, then you are familiar with electronic equipment. To talk about it, we need some words. Battery, батарея. Charged, заряженный. Charger, зарядное устройство. Crack, дать трещину, расколоться. Drop, ронять, уронить. Warranty certificate, гарантийный талон. Hard drive, жесткий диск, винчестер. Jam, забиваться, забиться. Lens, линза. Manufacturer, производитель. Memory card, карта памяти. Press, нажимать. Printer, принтер. Receipt, чек, квитанция об оплате. Scratch, царапать. Viewfinder, видоискатель. Virus, вирус. Free of charge, бесплатно. In stock, в наличии, на складе. Just in case, на всякий случай. Under warranty, на гарантии. Back to the drawing board, начинать заново. In the works, в разработке. It's not rocket science, не требует незаурядных способностей. Put something under the microscope, подвергнуть тщательному исследованию, анализу. The price is right, разумная цена.